Greetings from Talk Languages School. I'm Shobha here. Today I'm going to share you some useful information that will be helpful for you in your OET writing. As you know, many of you are still having doubts regarding the usage of has had. Let us see where we should use has had in our OET writing. You can use has had in patient's history, presenting complaints or treatment outcomes, diagnostic test. Alright, now I'll give you some examples related to this. When you are documenting a patient's medical history, you can use has had to describe the patient's past medical condition, procedures or treatment. For example, Mr. Baker has had a history of asthma. Mrs. Brampton has had previous appendectomy. Now let us see when we can use it in presenting complaints. Has had can be used to describe the patient's current or ongoing symptoms. For instance, the patient has had persisting cough and shortness of breath. Or else you can use he has had abdominal pain for the past 1 week. You can use in treatment outcome also. When discussing the effectiveness of a treatment or intervention, you can use has had to describe the patient's response. For example, patient has had significant improvement in pain after starting physical therapy. One more example I can give you. She has had a positive response to the medications. Now, when you're mentioning about the diagnostic test also, you can use has had. Has had can be used to report the result of a previous diagnostic test. For example, the patient has had a previous X-ray that showed a fracture. One more example you can make a note. He has had multiple blood tests that revealed elevated cholesterol level. Please remember to use has had when referring to a third person singular subject. Example, like the patient, or you can mention about the patient's name like that. I hope this information will be useful for you. Thank you.